Good morning guys, my name is Darren, or Daz as I do prefer to be called. Now this is a video that I recorded about 2 years ago. I own a Mk1 Focus RS, bought in 2015, which I thought at first was quite a decent vehicle. I had looked at 2 or 3 previously, and for my budget, which was around the 10 grand mark, this was probably the best one I could actually find. I did pay considerably less than 10 grand, but I was quite happy with my purchase. Now, once I started to delve into it, I did realise there was a lot more rust paint problems than I initially first thought. And not being the most knowledgeable person in this field, I found that I maybe got myself a little bit too deep. However, I did decide to start saving. I did start to do some research into who I wanted to look after my vehicle, and I eventually decided to go with 2 guys. First and foremost, I took it to a fabricator named Steve Richardson. Now Steve is mainly a Nissan specialist, and then once the metalwork had been done, I took it to a garage in Essex, Newbridge Accident Repair Centre, where there's a chap down there called Ray Tisdale, and he was a man who basically undertook my vehicle, overseeing everything, and got the vehicle to where it looks like today. So while we're here in lockdown, I was looking through my videos and I found that I'd done some kind of montage of the photos I was sent both from Steve and Ray during the process. So I thought I'd like to share that with you and let you have a look at what goes into a restoration on a Mk1 Focus RS. Now on the forums I follow, we get a lot of people who are in the same situation as me, where we think we've got a bit of rust and we just think, oh, a bit of quick fix. Now I thought of that. I budgeted around £3,000 to get the restoration done, and I can assure you it cost me a hell of a lot more than that. So in a second I'm going to show you the video and the montage. Please feel free to add any comments, ask me any questions. Like I said, this was started in January 2018 when Steve first collected the vehicle. He had it for about 8 weeks. I can assure you it went a lot further than I initially thought, and looking back now, I've got no regrets, but would I have probably gone with as much in depth as much with it had I known the initial outlay before I'd have started? Because once you start, you can't really stop. And trust me, it took some getting through this financially. Once it got to Ray, it was pretty much plain sailing. The paintwork is excellent. I can't recommend them highly enough. If anybody wants to get their Mk1 Focus, I definitely recommend taking it to Essex, even if it means travelling. I don't live close by. I use the train to get there and back. Yes, it costs money, but end of the day, as I say in life, you get what you pay for. So feel free to ask me any questions, drop me a comment. I don't really post much on YouTube. I'm definitely a beginner, so just bear with me. If you do like what you see, I might make a few more videos. I mean, like I said, this is 2 years ago, my car's in a very different state at present. Hope you enjoy, guys, and thanks for watching. Hi, me again. Just to jump back in, as you can see, my first time doing YouTube, my editing skills aren't the best. It didn't quite go how I wanted it to. So as you can see, when I was talking to you, the montage was shining above. Looking now, these are pictures of when it was with Steve Richardson, doing the metalwork on the sills, the arches, the inner seams of the seat belts, which was a massive task. It most definitely went a lot further than I initially thought. I'm going to sign off now. Keep watching, and hope you enjoy, and subscribe to the channel. Cheers guys.